Jason. So we're fitting some Eibach springs to this Civic FN2 today. FN2. Good quality kit. It's quite a nice look. What? Yeah. Yeah, we sell a lot of Eibach springs. It's good quality stuff. This should transform the drive of this car. It's got some mods on it, as you can see. Just sweep past the Supra.
But lovely rain. Got the lovely rain today.
Very nice. It is hammering it down. It's certainly not driving weather today, is it? No. And I'm going to put it out there to all the YouTubers, or all the YouTube followers, that Dynodaze has now completely and utterly ran out of biscuits.
Yeah, we are.
Now we've got plenty. Yeah, and we've got plenty of Yorkshire tea bags for our northern fans, but no biscuits. Right, we'll take photographs as we go. Well, Jason's about ready to do the underseal. The springs are on. Looking very nice, Jason. Quality Eibach springs. Yeah, so Jason has cleared out this much debris from underneath the car. Yeah, so plenty of crapola. Looks like a dead vampire, don't it? So yeah, but generally underneath, whilst pretty dirty, isn't so bad. As you can see, it's not bad at all. So Jason's got a bit more of a wire wheel to do, and then he'll be on with the spraying. If we need to treat any areas, we will. But you've seen in previous videos what we do. So this is before, and we'll show you afterwards. Two lovely FN2s, both leaving in the morning. Getting parked up safely in the yard overnight. Both nice motors.
Light was pretty fast.